Today we're making cilantro lime rice, a fantastic and fresh tasting side dish that you can use for so many different occasions.
Hey friends, today I got a couple of green eggs here and we are going to make cilantro lime rice. This is a fantastic side dish that you can have that'll go with a lot of other things. You can use it as filling in a burrito, you can use it as a side, you can just have it with some meat. So let's go out back into my yard and let's hunt down some cilantro. Okay, so we are back from our little foraging trip. We got our cilantro here. We're going to use a little bit of fat. I would recommend some melted coconut oil. You could also use canola oil or some melted butter. I don't like the flavor of extra virgin olive oil because it kind of competes with the cilantro and lime. So I wanted something a little bit milder. We got kosher salt. Here we have basmati rice. I like the way that the rice grains will get fluffy and separate in this dish. So my preference is basmati rice. And then we have a couple of limes for our citrus.
Let's begin by rinsing out the rice. Into the pot with the drained rice. Now the salt. And now the oil. Pour in the water. And stir. Now we're good to go. Now let's wash and chop the cilantro. The rice is ready and we want to bring it down to room temperature. You can speed up the process by putting it in the fridge. The optional step of zesting your limes will give your dish an added citrus boost. Now we're going to juice our limes. You'll notice that in terms of ingredients, I've kept this recipe as minimalist as possible. That's because I want the fresh flavors of cilantro and lime to really shine through. And now we mix.
So lime juice and cilantro are a flavor combination that's used a lot in different cuisines around the world. You see it happening in curries, you see it happening in, say, Mexican food. It's just a fantastic set of flavors working together. And This simpler version obviously is just with rice. Let's see how it tastes. It's very clean, very fresh. Those are the first things that come to mind. I think that citrus juice and the fresh herb flavor just really shines in this dish. And yeah, I could eat bowls of this. And I think you'll find that it's going to be a great side to have with, you know, a wide variety of foods. And again, it's super easy to make.